Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Got a little bit of a breakdown today. So the tensioner on the auxiliary belt, tensioner is now no longer. I've just taken the mount there off. So there's meant to be a plastic pulley here, and that belt's what drives the sort of air conditioning, power steering, and your alternator, stuff like that. So obviously this is disintegrated. We've had to get a new one of these. So we're just going to fit it. It's just two bolts that hold it in place. It's quite easy to get to. As you can see, I've not had to jack the van up or anything. I'm not changing the belt for now because I've actually booked the van in to get both belts changed, timing belt and this belt. Just so happened that it didn't make it there for the appointment. So we'll get this new part fitted and then we'll drop it off to get the belts changed properly. The new one here, guys. I'm gonna let you see what it should look like. Obviously the belt goes around this pulley here. It's just made of plastic. You can see that obviously with the age of mine it's probably just the bearings collapsed and then it's just caused that to collapse at the same time. So hopefully I get this one on as easy as I got the old one off. So here goes. Right, so it goes in here, guys. There's two mounting holes there on the side of the block for the lugs of this. I don't really know how I'm going to get the belt on, but basically that fits in there like that, and then you can feed the belt round the pulley. Right, so we've got some fuel in, and it's time to head through to that garage in Cooper. So it's a garage that I go all the time for my MOTs and any work that I need done. It's called EMS. Really good garage, fair prices. So yeah, nice leisurely drive through there because I certainly don't want that belt to tear up. So the auxiliary belt that we've just done the tensioner for, I mean it has got a tear in it, but it isn't acrossways, it's lengthways. So I'm kind of hoping it lasts whatever miles it is. I think it's 10 miles or something that I've got to drive. So yeah, I didn't put much fuel in. I don't know how long it's going to be in the garage for. I've just put enough in to basically get it there just now. Well guys, we made it with that shredded belt. Nothing disastrous happened. And as you can see just ahead of us there, that's EMS. Hoping there's somebody still here. That looks like it. Okay. Hi guys, so here I am, I'm sitting in the bus. We're a wee bit of time on from the beginning of filming of this video. For whatever reason, a few reasons, like the van was in the garage for 4 weeks. I'm glad to have it back. It's running absolutely superbly. I'm going to start using it again. I spent today cleaning it out. So there was a wee bit of like, still got the runners in the floor here. There's a wee bit of like sand and dust and everything from previous days out. So I've swept all that out. I've got rid of some of the rubbish that was in the door cards and everything. You know what it's like, you have a can of juice, you put the empty in the door card. And the reason for me cleaning the van was because one of the jobs that needed done was the door handle for the driver's door. And I have mentioned it before that I was having some problems getting in from the outside. So that's been fixed, and I was actually putting the interior panel for the door back on, which I've kept all the screws for and all the rest, but for some reason I've lost the winder handle for the window. No electric in this, guys, no electric windows at all, it's windy handles. But for the life of me I can't find the windy handle for that door. So I thought I'll give the van a good clean, I'll empty out underneath the seats and all the rest, sweep it all out, the handle will turn up. However, I spent a good couple of hours today cleaning the inside of this van, and I still can't find that handle. However, I did find, I found a cheeky tenner under the seat, so that'll pay for a new handle, let's face it. So, job's a good one. I'll just have to wait on the new handle arriving. But all the same, glad to have the van back. Hope to get out sometime soon, do a little bit of mountain biking and that with Connie. Start using the van again like it's meant for. Hopefully we'll be getting into some better weather and stuff like that. So yeah, I'll just end this one here. I'll see you on the next video. Bye for now.